What's up, everybody? Car Tech coming at you for another video. So today we're going to do a little headlight restoration. So this one's not too bad. It is getting a little dim, but we're going to go ahead and shine it up. So this is what I'm using. McGuire's two-step headlight restoration kit. Comes with 2 sanding pads and the coating, which is the last step, and the cleaning solution. So basically you just take it. This one's already done. Came out looking pretty well. Nice, not fogged over anymore. I'll insert the before pictures here on this one. But this one came out pretty well. All you basically have to do is just sand it down with their pads and their cleaning solution. Make sure you do tape off the area because you don't want to be sanding the paint. But it looks like it came out pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and get the other one started while this one's drying. Directions do say to do 2 to 3 coats of the coating, but wait 3 to 5 minutes in between. So we'll go ahead and get the other one started. Alright, so here I've applied the coating. Just a back and forth motion. Do a straight motion as much as you can. I know with these new headlights, you know, these newer cars, it's really hard. You know, because they got all the different kind of designs and everything in them. But back and forth, and then just simply take a rag and wipe the solution off. Obviously, if you're not happy with it, go back and do more. But this is not going to be the finished product here. So we're going to go ahead and do another pass on these headlights. I don't know if you can see that, but you see the fogginess at the top there, so we're going to try to get it as good as we can. Also do this in a shaded area. Not only because it's to help the product work, but as well as comfort of your own. So again, just take it. My understanding, the more foggy it is, the better off you are, because the sealer, well, the coating is what they call it, but I call it a sealer, will seep into those scratch marks and get it. It's kind of like when you do a cut and buff on a vehicle. But don't be afraid to use the it's basically compound. It's basically what it is. They call it a cleaning solution, but it's basically a compound. So let's go ahead and apply the sealer, and we'll see what it looks like. Do make sure to tape off your areas again, because you don't want none of this sealer going anywhere where it should not be. And that's it. Headlight looks brand new. Now it's supposed to increase your visibility at the very least by 50%. There are, other kits out there that work a little bit better, but this one seemed to be the right price, for the do-it-yourselfer. Take a look at this one. Looks a lot better than what it did. We'll apply 2 coats of this sealer, about 5 minutes in between of each other. So let's go ahead and apply the second coat for that one. And that's pretty much it. So this is finished product. Check it out. Nice and clear. Of course, the video doesn't really do it justice, but when you get up on it, it's still a little foggy, but it's not as bad, and you could actually see through it. This process also will work on your taillights as well if you need to do them. But not too bad. About 20 minutes the whole process takes. Anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.